All right, welcome back. Boy Guy with a camera here today. We're going to go over the Ustellar Smart LED floodlights. If you guys have been watching the channel for a long time, I've done a couple of these Ustellar lighting products. And as usual, they came through for me once again with a super high quality LED floodlight, right? So this is the box, right? This comes in. You get 6 of these, right? So I already took them out of the box, guys. I'm not going to do an unboxing here. So you get 6 of these, super high quality. I mean, they are solid, guys. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. They're IP65. They work off an app. So what you get in the box is you just get 6 lights, 6 brackets, and 6 of these stakes, right? And you know, anybody who's ever gotten anything that has stakes or whatever, you'll understand when I say these are super high quality all the way down to the stakes. If you can see how that's designed. So these stakes, when you're knocking them in, they're not going to bend, break, twist, and all that other stuff like the other lighting products that we've seen on this channel, as well as products that we bought, right? So super high quality, even down to the stakes. And that's just the Allen key. Goes in there. You know, you just put it right on the bracket right here, and that's it, right? So there's 6 of these for a total of, I want to say it's 50 or 60 feet long, so you can spread them out. You guys can see at the end of the video, I'll show you I have them in the yard. I already set these up for the Halloween display, so you'll see my display so far with the lighting hooked up. Super bright lights, guys. So I'm just going to go over a couple of the details right out of the user manual, and then I'll verify the length of it, right? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So they're 60 feet long, spread out. So 10 feet between each light, and then 10 feet from the first light to your plug-in option, right? Altogether, they're 40 watts, 2700K. You know, so you get the floodlights, blah, 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 this and that, and then you download the app. So they have their app for iOS and Android. It's the Home app. So you guys know if you have any kind of smart products, you probably have the Home app already. And I'll show you, so I'll show you the app on my phone, right? So it's just the Smart Life app, just like that. Open it up. You can see I got the 4 different lighting products on there. I'm going to go ahead and select the Smart Floodlights, and they're off right now. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. And this scene, I have it on chase, right? So you could do chase, and what I really like, guys, you can see right here, see the DIY. You can actually control whatever light effects that you want, right? So I have it on green to purple right now, and I can go ahead and do the DIY, and we'll add blue in there. Okay, here we go. All right, so I had to test it in there, save it, and now we'll see a blue in there, see? So you can basically control whatever you want, right? So that was the chase. You could do the flow, right? So if you guys want that super strobe light going on, especially for Halloween or Christmas or any other holidays, parties out back, you know, you got the crazy disco, right? Then you got a slower, that might be a little faster. I'm not really sure, guys, because it's blinding me. I hope it's not blinding you. It's super, super bright. Then you can do the rainbow. You can do chase. And you can do dazzle, right? So the whole deal is with these, you can change the speed, right? So this is the same one. This is the chase. We can slow it all the way down, or we can make it super fast, right? So, and then you have to save it, confirm, and then that'll be super fast on the chase. So you get that little like disco feeling or whatever. And then, so I can change just the colors, and we can set it to all 6, right? But then you can also have the option, you can change it to whatever you want, and you can confirm, and then just, you know, you just go through there and confirm it. Super easy. You can do the music, right? So we can do rhythm, and it's going to the sound of my voice right now. Or if you're playing music through your phone or anything like that, you're going to get the music sync, right? This is game mode, so it's going to be a little bit brighter in different colors. And they also have romantic, right? So it's going to be your red, your pink, your blue, your purples. It's all going to be mixed in there. I don't know if you guys can really see, and I can't look at that thing, guys. It's super, super bright, I promise you. It's blinding me. Then you have your timer, right? So you could set these up on timer whenever you want. I've been pretty lucky so far with our setup. I have them on an outdoor timer, and they work perfectly fine. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to close the garage door. I'm going to turn the lights out. I'm going to have all 6 of these on the table, and I'm going to show you guys really how bright they are inside the garage. And then you watch the video at the end of this video that I put in there, and that's outside. You'll be able to see how bright they are on my house and in the yard. So I will be right back with that feature of this, show you guys how bright they are. So stay tuned, be right back. All right, so we're back. You can see I'm sitting here. It's absolutely pitch dark in here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn these lights on, and you guys will see there's no ifs, ands, and buts about it. It lights up the whole garage in here. I don't know if you guys can really tell how bright they are inside my garage here, but I can go ahead and put the white lights on. I don't know why it's blue, but let's see. Okay, all right. So this is basically white, guys. It's blinding me. I can't look at them. But that's, you know, where we're at, and then we can do the flows and do that all over again. But you can see it's super bright in here from when I started out in the dark. But that's about it, guys, for these lights. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like outside on my lawn. And, you know, as always, I appreciate you guys keep coming back and checking out these, you know, videos. You know, please like and subscribe to the channel. We've been doing pretty well. You know, leave me some comments. Those have been excellent. And definitely look for the link in the description for the Ustellar 6-pack solar smart lights. I'm sorry, not solar. Sorry about that. Floodlights. The smart floodlights from Ustellar. Check out the link in the description. Sorry about that, guys. I'm losing my mind. It's been a crazy month. But you know, as always, I just want to say, you know, thank you for watching. I hope everybody's staying safe, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.